Good day, everyone. To my co-masterants, especially to Dr. Jonas A. Olandria, our professor. I am Carmen A. Mutia from Hagna, going to discuss to you my topic about the nature of educational supervision. The nature of educational supervision may be understood under the following broad heading. Supervision is based on philosophy. Supervision is increasingly oriented towards the fundamental objectives of education, and education related to the society where it exists. The basis for good supervision is philosophy, and it is sensitive to the final aims and values, policies, and so on. Supervision is democratic. Supervision implies democratic leadership where it tends to be cooperative endeavor for the common wellness of all those involved. It is a social force intended to bring out improvement in the personality of the human being and stability in the democratic social order. Supervision recognizes the dignity and worth of each individual and encourages freedom while providing guidance and suggestions. Supervision recognizes the dignity and worth of each individual and encourages freedom while providing guidance and suggestions. Supervision is creative and constructive. Supervision is imaginative and productive as it aims towards improvement and encourages the discovery of various types of innovative methods and means in the areas of education which are directly or indirectly concerned with the process of teaching and learning. The democratic nature of supervision provides plenty of opportunities for participatory discussions, decision making, and forming of group policies and plans, which finally leads to creative expression from everyone involved in the process. In the present scenario, creative supervision is a crucial necessity for the growth and success of the rapidly changing educational sector. Supervision is scientific. It means the method adopted by supervision is scientific in nature, and it is influenced by the science and technological aspect of education. A supervisory plan has to be adequately formulated and methodically implemented. It has evolved from being traditional, subjective activity to a systematic, objective, and scientific process. In order to be scientific, supervision involves visualizing a complete and precise image with maximum possibility of the prevalent school practices and gathering of all scientific knowledge about methods and components of learning that can be availed to improve the performances. Another is supervision is professional. Supervision means moving gradually towards professional status. A specialized form of knowledge is required for effective results, and the demand of supervisors which is kind of specialized knowledge, along with a body of scientific and democratic techniques, is growing rapidly. Another is supervision is progressive. Progressive supervision inspires and guides teachers by utilizing their full potential. It is directly towards the promotion and growth of pupils and teachers by nurturing qualities like initiative, originality, creativeness, honesty, and sincerity, and through them, the improvement of society. So, this is my insights. The nature of supervision shall depend on the areas of practice, experience, and training related to the area of specialty of the supervisee. A supervisor shall train the supervisee in skills, methods, and interventions, including enhancement and refinement of previously learned skills. So, this is all about my report. Thank you for listening, and God bless us all.